As you can see, we are at Infinity Falls. We haven't ridden this in at least a few months. The wait time is 40 minutes. We're gonna see how the line is.
Perfect day because it is hot.
Should we leave our visors on? Wet. Oh, we got doused right away.
That was really cold.
Right away. Oh boy. Right through the door. We are soaked. Oh my god. Look at all the water in here, folks. It's officially the wettest we've gotten already. We're 2 for 2 on the super splash. Woo! And even though it's a nice warm day, it's still a little cold. Oh, I'm totally soaked here. I'm done. I didn't zip my thing all the way, unfortunately. Oh, that's just for fun. Ah! Oh! I can't get wipe it clean, that's funny. We are getting super soaked. There goes some lucky people. All right, here we go. Yeah, we thought that would be horrible. That was good. Oh, now we get lucky. This ride is so fun. Here comes the tower. By the way, we waited 35 minutes approximately for this. Not too bad. Said 40. That's a good wait. The line kept moving. It's a continuously moving ride. Yeah, we totally got soaked. We were stoked to get soaked.
Bringing that back again.
Huh?
We're bringing that back again.
Yeah. Bringing stoked back. Oh, that breeze is actually chilly now. It's over. It's time to go. Thumbs up on that one too. We'll use the lanyard on that one too.